Hello everyone, I'm Willem. I have made a little instructional video to show you how to smoke papaya leaves, or as we say here in the Dominican Republic, lechosa hojas. I'm from the Netherlands, living my dream in the Dominican Republic, and it was time to smoke something else, something healthy, something good for your lungs. It may give you a little euphoric feeling, but not much. It's just nice, it's a nice taste, and you can mix it with mint or more stuff. So enjoy my video. And keep on smoking. Here we have some papaya trees. Look. Giving much fruit, it's very healthy. And there I see 2 leaves I'm going to take out to use for tobacco. I just get them out. I already have out one. I will take out the second one and also this yellow one. So you will see next process of cutting it. So here I have some dry leaves I'm going to cut, and I'll show you how to do that. I made a big deal of it first, but now I do it easily, and you can see why. I'm only cutting the top, so the end of the leaves, because the stem is too big. These ones are very dry, so this I throw away. You can use that as good tobacco, but I have so many leaves, I don't bother. So they're really dry. So I align them, and just with a knife I'm going to start to cut. And this can be just have to be small, because later on you can crush the leaves more when they're even more dry. I'll show you how to dry them. Just chop the big parts again. It's easier for them to dry completely. So I will continue this for another 5 minutes. I made a bit of a mess, but it's inside a box now with a sliding glass cover. You can use any box you want, a cardboard box, and you put a plastic glass or a glass over it, and you put it in the sun. Leave a little gap to that the humidity can escape. And now I'm going to crush it, just like this with my hands. And you see the little sticks. They're getting free now, and I can sort them out and throw them away. Of course, with this method some sticks will remain. They will be small. I crush it even more, and then when you finally smoke it, you then put those into the pipe, or a little small piece you can put in. Okay, let me crush further, and then I will put it in the sun. So it has been crushed to my liking. I leave those sticks. When they get smaller you can smoke them too. And now I leave it in the sun. Luckily I live in the Dominican Republic with plenty of sun, and there's still some moisture in it, not much, but we'll get out. In this pot is my papaya leaf tobacco, dried. Here's my pipe and my lighter and my screw for meshing down the tobacco. Enjoying my view here where the stormy weather. Cyclone Fred is coming, so it's a little bit windy and rainy, but it's the best time to smoke your pipe. I stuck my pipe in 3 times. I put it loosely inside, and then when it's full like this, I put it down. I also use a screw for that. I do it the second time. I push it down again. And I do it the last time, just to top it up. I put it down again. Then I set fire to it. The first one is called fake fire because the leaves will go a little bit up. You let it go out and you push it down and then you fire it up. For the second time, for the real fire. It's a bit windy here. So the leaves came up. I put them down and I light it for real. Nice papaya smoke. It's burning really good. I enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Leave your comments below and hoping to hear from you. Bye bye.